So today we will be making one bird, okay? So that bird is a Malaysian bird. You know that? And do you know the name of this bird which we are making today? The name of this the name of this bird is toucan bird. What's the name? What's the name?
Toucan bird.
Toucan bird. Yes. So we will be making this bird, and this is a Malaysian bird, okay? And this bird have a very big beak of yellow color. So whenever we are making the bird, the beak should be big, okay? And today I'll be telling you that how we are drawing in the layers. Fine? So please open your sheets, and we need pencil first and your eraser. You have? This is what the bird we are making today. This is a toucan bird. Which bird is this? Toucan. And this bird usually have a long beak. And the beak of this bird is of yellow color. Fine. So we will be doing the same colors as the colors which I have colored in this same bird. Okay? Because this bird is colors are look like penguin, right? Penguin is also black and white, right? So we will be making this, and now I'll be connecting my sheet, and the beak should be a little bit curved from down. See, like this. So your beak should be like this. ईशा आपने हमें देखो, ये शीट है मेरी, मैंने एकदम नीचे लेयर में बनाया है. So these are two layers. This is the first layer and this is the second layer. I'm making the beak in the second layer. So now the next thing is face of the bird, the face, and it will be like penguin, okay? So we'll start from here. Keep your pencil here. It's the same way this side also. So the curve will come like this and down. Okay, now we'll be making eyes of the bird. So the eyes of this bird is mostly in circle, okay? So it's like a bead. Have you seen the bead? Beads, it should be like circle, like a bead, like a Google eyes. Okay, googly eyes. So it should be in a small circle, like this. And you can make it little bit darker. This is the first layer of our picture and this is the second one. So we are making the bird in both these layers, okay? And the objects which we are making in the third layer, that should look little bit smaller, okay? Because I told you the object, when we see it from so far, it will be smaller, right? We'll make the back side of the bird, okay? It should be a kind of a tray, okay? Like a ashtray. So from here we'll make a straight line, okay? Not straight but little bit curvy you can make, and that's from down, like curve line. We are closing this line with another curve, outer one, okay? And that comes back to this. Now see, we have one line here, that this line will come down to this end, okay? And it will come like this. And we'll do the closing from the down. We'll do the closing in this border. It can be any curve line like this, or if you want to make zigzag, you can make zigzag also. Okay, now this ashtray is on the table, okay? This ashtray is kept on the table. So now we'll make some crop table. So abhi we cannot show the full table on this sheet, right? So we are making just a crop side of a table so that this look like that this is putting on, we have kept this on the table. Okay, so the table will come like this is your tray, and the table curve will come like this till down like this. Then same thing we need to do from the next end, this one also. From this end also we need to do the same thing. Okay, and again this line will be little bit curved like this. So how the feathers will look like? From here we'll go down and we'll stop, and then see, the birds mostly have a lot of feathers, so we will be doing this. So the next step is the feet. So we'll do this. Here, when the feathers of the birds are finishing, the bird will have a tail. So the tail will goes like this. It's just a normal line. The curves of the bird, it should be like this. 2 in the front and 1 in the back. Again, the same thing we'll do here. 2 in the front and 1 at the back. Then go up and then just close this line. So this ashtray is kept on the table, right? Now we are going to make the ending of the floor. So when something is kept on the table and उसके पीछे floor का end नजर आता है ना, the corner of the floor, so we are making that, okay, and that will come down. So नीचे से this line will be the ending of the floor, so it should be this straight. Okay, then we'll continue this line. Here the endings of the floor. Okay, so suppose there is a one window behind, okay, and we want to show that window in the cropped. Okay, so whenever we make the things cropped, तो वो आधी नजर आती है ना, क्रॉप चीजें आधी नजर आती है ना, जैसे हमारा टेबल आधा नजर आ रहा था. So like this we are making the clock but cropped. See, I'm making the cropped clock. And one more line, and see, so the numbers will be also cropped. So नीचे 6 आ जाएगा, and then 2 circles, and here 3, then 2 more circles, and here 9, and needle 1 small and 1 will be bigger. See, this is my cropped clock. We'll make a small scenery also. Fine. So the scenery will come out from here and little bit cropped. And now the scenery is cropped like this. And what should I draw in the scenery? Which painting? Fishes with lots of underwater creatures or flowers? Say what I should draw. So you can draw a nice border to the frame. You can draw the circles like this. If you want to add the window, then the window will come out like this. Half down, then this, half again, half here, and it should be like a window, opened window. You can also add on this. If you want to make a lot of window in your house, you can make it. This room has a lot of windows. Windows is open. And outer side, there is a lot of trees and greenery. So we can make a trees also. And with a lots of bushes, right? Birds. So we can make it like this if you want. Fine? Okay, now let's start coloring. For the toucan, we need colors, okay? We need the pair of yellow. So, see, I am using this stick crayons, okay? This one. Take one orange and one yellow. I'll show you the mixing of the colors, how we can mix two colors together. So, first we'll take orange. We can take this darker shade of the orange to mix it. Now we'll do on it. सबसे पहले थोड़ा सा उसको ऑरेंज के ऊपर करेंगे. So now with the lighter orange, we mix all these shades together and fill the beak with all these colors. Okay, basically we need to merge it. When we do color on this, the color will get merged. Okay. So now same for the ashtray. Okay, now we'll color ashtray. For the ashtray, you can take color. Here I'm taking peacock blue. I'm taking peacock blue shade. Peacock blue? And light blue. And then cobalt blue. So here I have these three. One will be darker, one is darkest. First take the darker shade and you can color in design. So whenever we are coloring, we color always in one direction. अगर हम एक डायरेक्शन में ही कलरिंग करते हैं तो कलरिंग बहुत नीट नजर आती है. ओके, सी लाइक हियर हमने सिर्फ स्लीपिंग या फिर इसको डायगोनली लाइक इसको हम हॉरिजॉन्टल कहेंगे, राइट? सो वी आर डूइंग हॉरिजॉन्टली. तो सेम डायरेक्शन में कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ना कलर, राइट? सेम वे वी आर डूइंग हियर आल्सो. Or you can do the curves. First I am doing curves with the darker blue here. Done. Okay, now for the merging you can also take white color. So whenever we are taking white in this, it will come out like this. Can you see the designs of the scraper? Done. And you can do the same color here down also. The same curve here down also. You all understood that how we can mix and we can color all these things, right? We can mix a lot of colors and we can make a very beautiful painting. So you can practice this, and in the oil pastels and in the pencil color, you can mix a lot of colors all together. We can use pink with yellow, we can use pink with blue, right? So try it once and you will enjoy it. Okay, and yesterday and tomorrow we are having our Diwali workshop. You can also join and learn a great crafts. Okay, we are making a lot of glittery cards in that workshop. So you can join that workshop. Okay? Same on the piggy ride you can join. Fine? Okay, see, Aston, this is the full drawing. Here we are using the 3 different shades of colors.
Yes, ma'am.
You can text me also and I'll send you the picture. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so now bye bye kids.